So it's Sunday night, I'm in my kitchen, I just finished cooking dinner for my family, and I am on edge. I mean, I'm exhausted, I haven't been sleeping well, I'm anxious and overwhelmed by all the items on my unfinished to-do list at work. And then my son walks in. He looks at the table and whines, "Chicken again, disgusting." And that's it, I snap, I look at him and I yell, "What is wrong with you? Can you be grateful for one thing in your life?" And things get worse from there. He screams, "I hate you," he runs out of the room and he slams his bedroom door, and now my self-loathing session begins as I say to myself, what is wrong with me? I've messed up my kid forever. These core fears are the childhood stories from when we were left alone following distressful events. With self-blame we are vulnerable to depression, anxiety and feelings of worthlessness, none of which we want for our kids. The parenting solution I suggest is to get good at repair. Repair is the act of going back to a moment of disconnection, taking responsibility for your behavior and acknowledging the impact it had on another. What will happen if I don't repair? That's important to understand and helps us make a decision about what to do next. Well, here are the facts. My son is alone, overwhelmed, and in a state of distress because, let's face it, I just became scary mom. When you repair, you not only remove your child's story of self-blame, you also get to add in all the elements that were missing in the first place. Like safety, connection, coherence, love and goodness. Step 1, repair with yourself. That's right. I mean, you can't offer compassion or groundedness or understanding to someone else before you access those qualities within yourself. Step 2, repair with your child. There's no exact formula. Name what happened, take responsibility, state what you would do differently the next time. Work on staying calm, even when frustrated. A 15-second intervention can have a lifelong impact. Let's embrace learning how to repair and transform that hurtful past.